Good morning. In this session, we are going to discuss the differences in the execution of for loop in Python as well as in Java. So, for loop in Python for I in range 1 to 10, print I, and then increment I by 2. Here, first it prints I, then I should become 3, but this is overwritten by range statement. You get this as the output, which is logically not correct. The flowchart for the same can be drawn like this. I is equal to 1 is I less than 10 if S print I, and then I is equal to I plus 2. Go back. I is equal to I plus 1. First I is 1, 1 is printed, then I should become 3. 1 plus 2, 3. And then this is 3 plus 1, 4. So we should get 4 here. But in Python, you cannot give any other increment other than the one given in the range statement. This is logically, I think, is not correct. Whereas in Java, say for int I is equal to 1, I less than 10, I is equal to I plus 1, system dot out dot print I, and then increment I by 2. What you get here is I is 1 here, I is 3 here, I is 4 here. So first you get 1, then get 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Only these three. This is logical. And this is illogical. I think this is a major flaw or bug in Python. Let us see them writing code. Online Java compiler. So have a for loop for have integer counter I starting from 1 should be less than 10 and every time incremented by 1. So I print I here, and then increment I by say 2. Close for loop. Execute it. So first 1 is printed, 1 plus 2, 3. And then here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is printed, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7. Next I becomes 10 and 10 is not printed. That is what I have shown here. Okay. Next, let us go to Python now. For I in range sorry for I in range, initial value 1 should be less than 10, maybe in steps of 1. Let us print I. And then within the loop itself, let us increment I by 2. Run it. So this has no effect on the range statement. So increment will be always 1. Or if you put increment as 2, increment remains always as 2. Okay. Let us come here. If I take increment as 2, first I is 1, and then 1 plus 2, 3, and then 3 plus 2, 5. So you get 1, 5. Is this clear? Hope you understand it. I hope you realize the biggest flaw in Python. Thanks for watching, and don't get confused in pseudo questions given by companies like Accenture, where you should take the standard procedure offered in Java. Should not go by Python because the pseudo code is based on C family languages like C, C++, and Java. Okay. Thank you. Keep watching and please subscribe. Thank you very much.